हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप सभी? आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड. So in my last video we have discussed about why there is a need to study about complex number system, and in this video we are going to discuss further about more about complex numbers. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I have told you in my previous video that sorry, that I is an imaginary number, and this iota is just an assumption. We don't have any proof for it, and the value of iota is square root of minus 1. This is the value of iota. You can write in place of square root minus 1 is iota. Iota equal square root of minus 1. Suppose you have this type of equation, x square plus 1 equals 0. Transpose this one to the right side and you will get x square equal minus 1. Take square root both side, and left hand side will become x and your right hand side will become square root of minus 1. Because this is a quadratic equation, so it has two solutions. So these two solutions are x equal plus minus square root of minus 1, and we know that I have told you that the value of iota is square root minus 1, so you can write in place of square root minus 1 just iota. X equal plus minus iota is the solution of this type of equation, x square plus 1 equals 0. So the solution of this type of quadratic equation in complex number is x equal plus minus iota. Next, if I try to find the solution of this equation, similarly, if you have this type of equation x square plus 2, if you transpose this 2 to the right hand side, it will become minus 2. Similarly, take square root both side, x equal plus minus square root of minus 2. Now separate minus 1 or 2. You can write these square root minus 2 as square root of minus 1, square root of 2. Square root of minus 1, the value of square root minus 1 is iota, and this square root 2, write it at as it is. So the value of x is plus minus root 2 iota, and the solution of this quadratic equation in complex number system is x equal plus minus root 2 iota plus root 2 iota and minus root 2 iota. And complex number system is the largest number system till now. अभी तक का ये सबसे बड़ा नंबर सिस्टम है, इससे बड़ा और कोई नंबर सिस्टम हमारे पास नहीं है. It include all the number system in it. Like we have, this is a complex number system. इसके अंदर रियल भी आ जाएंगे, रैशनल भी आएंगे, इरेशनल भी आएंगे, इंटीजर, होल, नेचुरल, सभी नंबर सिस्टम इस कम्प्लेक्स में इंक्लूडेड है. कम्प्लेक्स नंबर सिस्टम इज द लार्जेस्ट नंबर सिस्टम. नाउ फर्दर वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द फॉर्म ऑफ कम्प्लेक्स नंबर. हाउ डू यू डिफाइन कम्प्लेक्स नंबर? सो लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट इट. Numbers which are expressed in the form of a plus iota b. Numbers which are expressed in the form of a plus iota b, like this, a plus iota b, where these a and b belongs to real number. ये आपके real number होंगे. a plus iota b are called complex number. This a is called real part. This is the real part of complex number, whereas b is called imaginary part of complex number. Now my question is 2 is a complex number? क्या जो 2 है, सिंपल 2, क्या वो कम्प्लेक्स नंबर है? क्या आप 2 को 2 इज़ अ कम्प्लेक्स नंबर? आंसर इज yes. 2 is a, because 2 is a natural number. Every natural number is a complex number. अभी मैंने बताया कि complex number सबसे बड़ा सिस्टम है, इसमें सारे numbers include हैं. So 2 is a natural number. Is natural number is a complex number? Yes, it is a complex number. How it is a complex number? Because we can write 2 in the form of a plus iota b. That is, 2 can be written as 2 plus 0 iota, where the value of a is 2, the value of b is 0, and 2 can be written in the form of a plus iota. So that's why 2 is a complex number. Similarly, is 0 is a complex number? क्या 0 complex number है? Yes, 0 is also a complex number because 0 is a whole number. 0 whole number है. Is every whole number is a complex number? Yes, complex number, whole number complex number है. 0 can be written as 0 plus 0 iota. It can be written in the form of a plus iota b, where the value of a is 0 and the value of b is also 0. So yes, 0 is also a complex number. Complex number is denoted by z. Z equal a plus iota b, where a is real part and b is imaginary part. Now there are some results which are useful in this theory. First result is, if your real part is 0, if the value of a is 0, then the complex number will become z equal iota b, and this number is called purely imaginary number. Now case second, if your b equals 0, अगर इस b की वैल्यू 0, then the complex number would be z equal a. This is called purely real number. Now there are some results. Two complex numbers First is z1 a plus iota b and second one is z2 that is c plus iota d. इन दोनों नंबर्स को वी विल कॉल इट एज इक्वल इफ देयर रियल एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट्स आर इक्वल. अगर इन दोनों कम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स को इक्वल कब बोलेंगे? अगर इनके रियल part of z1 is equal real part of z2 and the imaginary part of z1 equal imaginary part of z2. In that case we will say that these two complex numbers are equal. Second result, the value of iota is, as we all know, iota equal square root of -1 multiply, taking squaring both side. So you will get the value of iota square. The value of iota square is -1. These results are very useful in the application of complex number. जब भी आप आगे क्वेश्चन करोगे, इन iota square इनकी वैल्यू आपको याद होनी चाहिए. Right? Now for the value of iota cube, you have to multiply iota by both side. Multiply iota by both side, it will become iota cube, and here -1 into iota. So the value of iota cube is minus iota. For the value of iota square, squaring, इसको आप क्या कर सकते हो? इसको iota से फर्दर मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो और iota square का आप स्केयरिंग भी कर सकते हो. So value of iota raised to power 4, that is 1. Iota raised to power 4 is 1. Iota cube is minus iota. Iota square is -1. Iota is square root of -1. Same like that, आप iota की कितनी मर्जी पावर की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हो. So that's all about today. Next concepts हम फर्दर वीडियो में नेक्स्ट पार्ट्स में डिस्कस करेंगे. Till then, bye bye.